Shalom. Uh, Welcome to the part 2 of the video. This is the theory of the spiral earth. So in my previous video, I was trying to explain the reason why I believe the earth is spiral. So this is just a continuation of the previous video. So as I said earlier, the earth is just like a very large stator in a motor, in an electric motor, probably a DC motor. It's a very large stator. And the sun and the moon spins within the space of the earth. So the sun and the moon is the rotor, while the earth is the stator. So the spinning of the oscillating of the sun and the moon generates electromagnetic energy, which puts everything on the earth in place. And as I said earlier, the earth, there are several north and south poles along the length of the earth. So the moon could be positive energy, the positive pole, while the sun the negative pole, or vice versa. So as they spin along the earth, along their orbits, they generate electromagnetic energy. This you see as the light, the daylight, nighttime, sunrise and sunset. So the sunrise and sunset is an evidence of the movement of the sun and the moon. So if we want to consider another area, which is the area of what has astrology got to do with the spiral earth, or how effective, or what's the role of astrology in the spiral earth? Yes, since the earth is connected with other planets, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Venus, they are all in the same landmass, although in an extension. The vibration generated, for example, in Jupiter, could be felt around our Earth here, the portion of the Earth we call our Earth. This vibration anywhere on the universe, anywhere in the solar system, affects the Earth. So the place of astrology still remains. So the other planets that we can see through our telescope is just because we are viewing it from the Earth, and our telescope has a scope, and that scope gives the roundness that we see as planet Jupiter, planet Venus, planet Mars, and all that. We are only viewing a part of the Earth. So this part of the Earth is what we call as other planets. Yes, they might have influence because they have their own sun and they have their own moon. So while electromagnetic force or in induction is generated in other planets, it tends to affect us here on Earth. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do join us in our Facebook group, Spiral Earth Society. And also, if you would like to support us, join our Facebook group, Spiral Earth Foundation, so that we are able to produce more